My name is Walter Perkins. I'm Chief Technology Officer at Insmed.
My name's Mary Lushars. I'm an MD. I work at Insmed as the Medical Director for the US for ARICASE.
The core of the patent are really two pieces. It's the liposomal technology combined with inhalation. Liposomal technology allows antibiotic to stay in the lung when you inhale it. By using inhalation as the route of administration with a nebulizer, we're able to get drug directly into the lungs and avoid some of the systemic exposure you would get otherwise if the patient were to take the drug by oral administration or intravenous administration. As you inhale the material, it lands in your lung. You have liposomal drug and free drug. When it lands in the lung, you have the free drug to do immediate action against bacteria, but then you have the liposomal that actually get taken up by these cells in the lung. They become intracellular, like a Trojan horse. They work their way inside the cell to deliver drug to where the organisms are otherwise hiding and are protected.
Patients are people typically who've been sick for a long time with an infection that's very difficult to diagnose and has very non-specific symptoms. In the past, patients with NTM lung disease or non-tuberculous mycobacterial lung disease who needed IV aminoglycoside treatment as part of their treatment regimen had to have it injected. This is the first time for patients with this rare infectious lung disease that they've had an option to be treated with something that's less toxic but more efficacious in terms of the way it's delivered directly to the site of an infection.
And these are refractory patients, meaning they're really not responding to therapy. And so the common thread through all these patients to date has been hopelessness. What our drug has done now is given them a ray of hope that their disease can be treated. We think of Thomas Edison as an innovator, but he wasn't just an innovator. He made a major difference in people's lives. So it wasn't just innovation only. It's innovation where you make significant differences in people's lives. This recognition for us is another way of highlighting the disease in order to make others aware of it. So I think the more we can do to perpetuate that knowledge and expansion of the knowledge about the disease, the more we can help those patients.
It's really important to promote our younger generations to keep being curious and keep doing scientific investigations in an environment that's not always supportive, financially of drug development in the clinic. So thanks for giving us this award. We're all really proud.